All right. We got a big package this time. So Wanbo was kind enough to send me one of their latest projectors. This is the Wanbo Pro or Wanbo X5 Pro. It's a Google projector, Google TV projector. How do you even open this? Let's unbox it. Oh brother, this is hard. Okay. Damn, I'm already sweating. What is happening? This is the worst unboxing I've ever done. There we go. Okay. That means... Oh, I made a mess. Let me throw these in the... I'm assuming it just opens up or slides open. All right. And it's in another box. Very nice. Box in a box. So here we have it, guys. Wanbo was kind enough to send over their latest X5 Pro Google TV. It supports 4K. It's not really 4K, it's actually 1080p, but you can actually play 4K content like on YouTube or something like that. Like any online platform that has 4K, you can still play it, but it's not, resolution is not 4K of the actual lens. It's actually 1080p, but it does support 4K. Anyways, this is pretty compact. Let's unbox it. Let me get my knife actually. All right, got my knife. Got here, right through the middle. It's like a box inside a box inside a box. Oh wow. Love the packaging so far, other than the fact that it's a box inside a box inside a box. This is a nice box. Look at that. Kind of looks like art. This is modern art, you guys. Actually, I don't know what color I got because in here, this is the black one, and on the back I saw was the white. Honestly, I don't mind whichever one I get. They are equally nice. Just gonna pull the tab here and then open here. On the top, we got a quick user manual. Shows setup, connectivity, and things like that. Remote controls and stuff like that. Okay. Got some foam. This is just protecting the projector. So let me put it down. Maybe it'll be easier this way. Ooh, this thing is heavy. Yes, it's large. Okay. So inside we have the power cable, and then we have a remote. This is a nice remote. So here's the remote. If it will focus. It's nice. So you can like use Google Voice on this to like search stuff, which is really cool. So definitely like modern stuff for voice commands in general. Got the power cable, and then there's nothing else. So you just put this to on the floor. And here's the projector. Oh my God, this is huge. I think this is the biggest projector I have ever got. Ooh, but this is nice. This feels very premium. It is very solid in the hand, and like just looking at the design, I love the gold and black. This is a very well polished design. It is kind of big, like this is big, but it has like built-in speakers and everything. HDMI, we have two USB, we have an aux, and then there's the power button here. Show you guys a closer look. And then here's the actual power cable. And this is just for fans, I believe. Okay. So this is what it looks like. It's nice. Okay. Peel me off. No, I'm just going to keep you on. Okay. Actually, let's do this. Let me do this nicely. Hopefully you guys can hear me clear, but ooh, look at that lens, you guys. Look at that lens. Ooh. Love that. Anyways, that's it for the unboxing. This is beautiful, pretty well, nice packaged. You know, there's a little kickstand here. Bracket, 7 degrees. You got a little kickstand here, so you can angle it properly. There is a thread here for tethering or like putting on like a tripod or something. So there's thread right here, threading. So that is cool. It feels very premium. I can't wait to actually like turn it on and do a full review of it. But so far for first impressions, I like it. Hopefully it sounds and works just as cool as it looks or well as it looks. So it is full HD 1920 by 1080p. So that's the actual resolution of it. But it does support online 4K.